Hello, welcome. Today we're going to just do an intro to the Raspberry Pi, what is a Raspberry Pi, and how to open the programs that we're going to use the most. So first, what is a Raspberry Pi? A Raspberry Pi is a little system-on-chip computer. It is the size of a credit card, but it's strong enough to power most of the things, or all the things we're going to be doing in this class. And it consists of 4 USBs. We're going to use 2 of them. These pins that help you control electricity. We're going to plug in the power here, and this is an output to the monitor. Now, how to start the Raspberry Pi. Now, when you come in, the keyboard and mouse should be plugged into the USBs. The HDMI cable that connects to the VGA cable should be plugged in here. A- And so all you do is plug in your disk with the gold side up. Underneath the Raspberry Pi, there's a little carriage there, a little metal carriage that you can see, a little place to put it. And then finally, once you have those 3 in place, then you can power it up by plugging it in the slot, micro USB, or you can push the button if it's already plugged in. Now, how to shut down the Raspberry Pi, you don't want to do this now, we'll do this at the end of the class period, is you want to make sure we shut it down. To shut down a Raspberry Pi, what we do is we click in the upper left-hand corner and go down to shutdown. And then once you shut down, then you want to hit the power button and unplug the micro USB card. And then once a little light here goes out, then take out your card. Some people have lost some functions on their Raspberry Pi by taking out their USB card or the micro SD card too soon. Now, the 2 programs we're going to use the most often, or the 2 functions we're going to use the most, I should say, are Thani and the command line. So if I open this up, first, Thani, if I click up here, it'll have a bunch of options. If you go to programming, we're going to go all the way down to Thani Python EDE. This one's a little bit easier to use than idle, I believe. Later on, I'll give you the option, but most people will choose Thani. So if I open that up, you'll be able to see what Thani looks like. We write our programs up here, and we execute them down below. Now, uh, if we want to use our command line or our terminal, we click right here. Uh, Here's our terminal. We can do things, lots of things from here, and you will learn that throughout the semester.